Hi, this is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop, and in this video I want to explain what a watermark is. So a watermark, when you go to a stock photography site, a watermark are these little, it's often in a grid, and see how it says Dreams Time here? So they are marked images to signify that this is just a free comp. That's what it's called, a free comp. And you can try something out. And you can try out images from stock sites before you buy them. So this is Dreams Time, which is a place to go to get stock photography, and it is paid. So you have to pay for these. So you need to pay credits if you're going to actually use it. But what stock photography sites do is they let you download it for free. So this is at a paid stock photography site. Contrast that to pixabay.com. So if I search for pixabay.com, so here's an example image, there is no watermark because it's a free download. So when you go to Pixabay, and there's many others as well, when you go to Pixabay and you find an image, it doesn't have a watermark, whereas Dreams Time does. Now you're probably thinking, well, if there's free images, why would I ever pay for one? Sometimes there's something very specific you're looking for, like this is a great image, for example, and maybe you can't find it on a free stock site. Or maybe you just found this image and you absolutely love it and you are willing to pay for it. Like I do that all the time. So let me show you how this would work. So let's say you found this, you really love it, you're not 100% positive, so you're going to download it. And now it is asking for me to buy it, but I don't want to buy it. I just want the comp, meaning I want the free download. Right here, download preview. So every paid stock photography site is going to be slightly different. So here it is, a download a preview. So it's going to let me download this image, so I'm just going to right click, save image as, and save it to my hard drive. So I'm saving this to my hard drive. And notice it's putting in their Dreams Time logo, and it's telling you what the ID is and who has the copyright. So this is a perfect example of a watermark. So before you go live with your website, you want to check your site and make sure you don't have any watermarked images. If you have a watermarked image and you go live on your site or you add it to your live site, it's not good and the company can come after you because it's clear that you didn't pay for that image. So you'll need to either pick a different image or go to the company where you bought it and pay for it. Now I don't know why they call this free download when you obviously have to pay for it, but that is very important to not have any watermarked images on your site when you go live with your website. So that's it. That explains what a watermarked image is. This is Christina Hills with the Website Creation Workshop.